Hi everybody, how are you? We wanted to talk about getting ready to learn and what our brain needs to function at optimum capacity. So anytime we're getting ready to study and we want to be in the zone and we want to be really ready to focus. So we want to show what's happening in our brain and what our brain needs. So this is just a little quick demonstration of how our brain functions. This is a quick picture of showing that our brain only weighs about 2% of our whole body weight, but it actually takes up over 20% of the energy that we need during the day. So it's important to keep those energy levels up. Brain weighs about 3 pounds, right? But most of our brain is made up of water. So our brain is about 75% water. So here's our little demonstration. Are you ready? Okay, so here's our sample brain, and it's got about 75% of water in it. And we know that our brain needs a little food during the day, so we got to pour a little food in our brain. So having a snack before we sit down to work is always probably a good idea, and make sure that we're getting enough nutrition during the day. We know that our brain needs air. So we need to breathe, and in the next video we'll talk about breathing, right? So we pulled out a straw and we can actually blow. And the more air we're getting in our brain, the more it's energizing. But our brain and our bodies also need movement. So if we're working about every 15-20 minutes, it's not a bad idea to get up and go get some movement. And the more movement we get going, we can see all that fizz going, and that helps us get back in the zone and be ready to learn again. So we'll see in the next video. We'll talk about some specific ways to do that.